Hi, this is Adrian. I'm with Acorn Finance. I want to show you guys how to add our Acorn widget to your documents, PDFs, anything really that you are using to put in front of the customers. And I'll go through a couple options here. We've designed this unique page for you guys to house these widgets so that it makes it easy for you to grab them and then add them to your documents. And I'll show you how to do that. Right here, we have a large estimate widget and a small estimate widget. I'm going to do the small one first. So you go down here to copy. This button says copy small PDF widget. Click on it, show that it's copied to the clipboard. Now we're going to open up your Word documents. You might use a different program, so I'm just using Word, and it's just a kind of a basic invoice here. But you can see how it works, and it works pretty similar to, with every type of document that you use. You have a specific need, please reach out. We'll go over this with you, but this should get you going. We already have the widget copied to our clipboard. So we're going to go here. I'm going to put the cursor right here next to thank you for our business. I want to actually insert it in between this line right here and this word. So, and then I'm going to right click on paste, and it's going to show up right there. So if you print or even email these and we also have videos showing you how to email the Acorn widget in your email, but it also show up right here. The customer can, if it's a paper copy, the customer can scan the QR code with their phone and get right into the application. The application is tied to your account. So that's great. So pretty simple how to add it to estimates. You can add it to a template so that it's always there. That's what we recommend. And then let me show you one other thing. We have this was the small estimate, the small widget. Here's the large widget. And I'll show you how this works. Same idea, copy. So now this has replaced the other widget on the clipboard. Let's go back to Word. I opened up just a blank document. Some of our customers, if they do have an office or a storefront, what have you, or just want to put these in a sales book, you can design a document, and same thing, just right click, paste, and you can see you could get a much larger version of this, either to put, in a binder or on a counter, whatever you want to do. So a lot of different options. We try to make this flexible, give you a large one, give you a small one that will fit in a lot of different areas. There's also the email widgets that will go into your emails. So check out those videos and let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.